No, no, no. Hey guys, it's Cheryl Janine, and for the next 30 days, I'm going to give you a blueprint to launch your online business. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I drop a new video. So today we are on day one of what you can do in 60 minutes a day for the next 30 days to launch your online business. Now, today we're going to be talking about how to create a plan and a budget that you're going to stick to. What are you going to commit to? Only you have that answer. Now, if you're going to have a business, you should absolutely have a budget for your business. Many people find ways to bootstrap or launch their business on a shoestring budget, which is cool, but you still need to attain some basic tools like a domain name, a hosting provider for less than 20 bucks a month in order for this to work. So we're going to take a look at some options. Now, depending on the business model you choose, it might require more of you financially. So you definitely want to plan everything out and determine how much money you want to spend to get up and running. Now, give yourself some room and give yourself grace and spend your money how you see fit. Now, if you need to outsource for tech purposes or tasks that you don't know how to do or don't want to do, such as setting up a membership site for your info products, a landing page, things like that, you can find a virtual assistant to help you out. You can go to onlinejobs.ph, upwork.com, fiverr.com, hiremymom.com. Those are all sites that you can find people to assist you. Now, you can do all these things yourself, all the tasks that you have to do, but just be mindful of the time that it's going to take for you to complete everything. When I first started my business many years ago, I didn't have a dime to spend on anything. I couldn't outsource anything. I had to do everything myself. I was able to actually learn a lot of different skills, but it took me a lot of time. So you have to pick your battle. Do you want to save money or do you want to save time? Either way, it's going to cost you something. Now, you might be tempted to spend money left and right as you dive deeper into the online world, but be careful when it comes to hype marketing from people who are saying that this is a shortcut, this is how you can get rich quick, and all these different things on their sales pages just so you can buy their course. None of that stuff works. Stay on the smart path and only invest in what you need. And I'm telling you this because for years I spent time collecting and collecting and collecting more and more information. Like, someday I'm going to use this. Someday I'm going to use that. And I never did. All it did was take up space on my computer. So work with what you have, only invest in what you need, and you'll be fine. Now, for domain and hosting, I have only ever used GoDaddy or Namecheap. For the past several years, I have only been using Namecheap.com for my domains. Now, for hosting, for years I used Host Matters, which is not a popular choice, but they have great customer service. I believe it's called Entirely Digital now. And now I also use Bluehost. So that's the one I would prefer and suggest if you're going to do hosting. Now, if you're using something like Squarespace or Wix for your website platform, you don't need to buy additional hosting. It's already provided for you. If you're using WordPress, you're going to need hosting. So you have to pick what platform you want to use and then determine what you're going to need. Now, your action step for today is figure out what domain name you want and secure that, and then figure out what website platform you are going to use. It shouldn't take you that much time to do any of this. And stay tuned for day 2.